Got a little bit of late start this morning. Went and got some breakfast at Black's Fish Camp. We're on Lake Santee Cooper. We're on Moultrie, Lower Lake. You see steam plant in the distance. And we got a few rods out, like 8 or 9, something like that. Marked a few fish sitting in between 2 sunken islands. We're gonna see what we can do, see if we can boat some catfish this morning. Got Brother Wilson with me. We just chilling. Stick around, fishing with squirrel. So,
talk, baby, talk. Hey.
Aggravating thing. Oh yeah, I felt tail shake. We on.
Little fishy. Little fishy.
Oh, talk to me, baby. That's out that bottom lip right there.
You want your picture?
There we go. 2.5, 3 pounder. And that's how we do it. You're fishing with squirrel. All right, the next one's gonna be a 50 pounder. And Mike gotta catch it. Spin a little bit, but we got a fish on. It's his turn. I think we got another eater. We've got 2 blues. Is that a little blue or a little? That's a little channel cat, isn't it? That's a little channel cat. Look at that. Perfect eater size.
Hooks.
Those circles are good.
A couple pound fish.
So we got fish right here. Looking on 2D. Like a ball of bait right here. We're dragging and drifting. We're going 0.5. We're on Santee Cooper, and this is as flat as I've ever seen it. That fish on?
I believe that one's on. What you think? Is it hung?
No, that's fish. It's running. Oh, it's a good one. You sure you don't want this one?
Nope. Sure deal.
You want me to hang on to this one, see if it conjure one up?
Ooh, that is a nice one.
I'm telling you. I had to tighten the drag up on it. Blue. About one like you caught before, ain't it? Talk to me. Wants to say hello. There we go. Pretty little blue. It's a 14-1 on that one.
Let me get your picture.
Shots. Did that just shut off? Let me see that, Wilson.
Are you kidding me?
Man, I wish you could see this. Andy, I may have to send you a picture of this fish.
And it's on chicken. On chicken.
It is. It ate it on chicken. Look, that's one right there. You don't fillet. You just take and you just put that one right straight in the frying pan and go to town on that.
That one's going back in the water to grow up.
No, man. Yeah, that's an eater. Put that thing in there and eat it.
No. My brother would say that ain't big enough to put between a biscuit.
All right, we got fish on. We're sitting here cleaning catfish. We got catfish fillets. We're gonna double bag them, put it in the cooler, and we have a rod go over. That's what they've been on, folks. Bluegill head. It's all quiet this morning here at Black's Camp. We are the first ones up heading to breakfast. We left our hotel room right there. Squirrel. Got boats tied up. If you come down here and you get a hotel room, you can tie up over here on the bank. If you got one of those little cabins, they got a little dock for you to pull up to. These cabins were booked up when I made reservations down here. But we're gonna go to breakfast to get a bite to eat. They make a good breakfast. They're open at 5:30 a.m. Got a gas dock here. Looks like we're the first ones coming in this morning. Our boat ramp.
Sure, catfishing machine.
There we go. They got you set up. I can get you they got Mad Cat's rods in here. Get you a Mad Cat.
There you go.
Yeah. I gotta have orange and purple wrap.
I got my bite black.
We got your dragon weights, drift sticks, coolers, got drinks, they got sinkers galore. We got some bait. They said they had some blueback herring this morning. Got your red worms, crickets. I got you set up, whatever you need. One-stop shop.
Which one you like better?
So there we go. Got Brother Wilson getting ready to enjoy a platter this morning. Black's Camp breakfast. Everything growing boy needs. There's your bacon, scrambled eggs, grits, and toast. Comes ready to go with, you got your strawberry, your grape, your apple butter, and your apple jelly. They got you covered. All right, let's eat up so we can go fishing. Catfish on the bottom. That one's got yellow. That's a good return. A little bit of green. Not a bad kitty cat right there. I'm gonna mark it. Whoop. Mark it. Stamp it with a B. Bring it on over for the baby and me. Fish. Where am I at? Where are you? Fish. Save. Clear. Tell you what I'm doing. We're on Lake Moultrie. There's a point. Got deep water part of the lake right here. I'm just kind of cruising around this point. Thought we'd start here this morning. Got more fish right here off this point. So there's one that's got good color to it right there. I think what I'll do is take and drag up and down off this point. We'll fan cast, roll, put out some planer boards and see what we can do. That's not fish. You can see that's a stick up on the bottom right here connected to the bottom. But on 2D, it looks like it may be a fish. We got some bait right here. Yesterday, we were over here. We got the sun coming up this morning.
It's a peckerhead anyway.
Turn that clicker off. Get this one in. Let's see what we got. This is a bluegill chunk. I got Andy monofilament, 30-pound test.
You know which rod that's on, don't you?
That was on that new
Newfangled gadget.
Newfangled. I got a secret weapon. I don't know how good the weapon is, but it's the first one that got bumped. It's a little eater. Yeah, I'm in the line on it. He got twisted up in it. Coming up on the hump, we pulled from 40 feet of water with nothing for a long ways. Finally got one right here. Got a little blue. There we go. It's a good eater size blue. Woo. Talked to me this morning. We're gonna throw it back. It talked to us this morning. It made us a nice short. Let me go ahead and you talk to me and I'll throw you back. Talk to me. Come on, talk to me. There you go. One more time. All right, I'm gonna let you go. Here we go. Okay, so what I've got is a walleye fishermen use a smaller version of this, and I've just got a peg float loose down to a piece of surgical tubing, and I got my circle hook right here. So it's actually swimming. Got a little rattle action to it. So that's what we're doing, and I got a little dragon weight. Let's put a chunk back on, shall we? All right, so we're out here close to the hatchery on Santee Cooper, and it is back over this way. We've been dragging, and then now we're gonna be munching. Got the little grill going. Couple of New York strips on the Barbie. Come over one time, and they're about ready to go. Gonna be good. Put it back down. You looking, you ain't cooking. We're fishing, cooking, steaks and fishing. Don't get any better than that. We ain't working. We sitting here trying to eat. We got a mess of perch on the screen. But I got that right there about to go on the plate. Got that. That ain't. Check that out.
Burn your mouth.
Mm-hmm. This steak's been marinating for 3 days. He said good. Be good. Okay, there we go. This is how we eat on squirrel. We're gonna have this, and hopefully we'll be back with some fish. What time is it anyway? 2:11. This is Leonard. This is halfway in between lunch and dinner. Call it Leonard. We got fish on, baby. Get it, Wilson. That's our hundo right there, right? Are you serious? All right, we're gonna try it again. We ain't giving up yet. Hold on.